I contemplated getting an espresso machine for such a long time. So when I did my research on it, I wanted to make sure I got something that was super versatile and I could use often without only making one or two types of espresso or coffees. So this one has so many different options. It has the classics, you can go to Coffee World, you can even have favorites. Anything from like macchiatos to slow brews to lattes. Literally, I feel like the options are seriously endless. Once you click on the thing that you want, you can change the amount of milk ratio, the cup size, and the strength. So I have the one where the milk attachment is like with a hose, and then you just kind of attach it that way. And again, here's a different type of cafe latte. You can customize it. I'm going to do an extra strong one, which just means it's going to be a double shot. And I love that it like tells you everything about it. So it tells me that it's going to be a double shot. It tells me that it's 30 to 60% milk ratio, and you can kind of customize it to make it your own. I prefer this than going out to a coffee maker or coffee shop because I just feel so much better that I'm doing it at home. So it's definitely has been well worth it for me. I also think it's kind of fun to just like watch how it's made. It honestly mesmerizes me. And then you can kind of customize and change your coffee order honestly throughout the day, the week, the month, whatever it might be. I also have a niece who loves using this. So not only is it coffee, but it's also like other non-caffeinated options too, which is super awesome. I love that like once you start getting the hang of it and understanding how to use it, you come up with all of these different fun coffee ideas. And then there's just so many different varieties that you can do. So you can see it's continuing to make my coffee for me. And then once it's completed, the red line at the bottom there at the top of the screen, it'll tell you that it's all done. But this thing has been so wonderful.